The letter B. Read and study these words and improve your understanding of English.
Balk. Verb. To stop, block abruptly. Edna's boss balked at her request for another raise. Ballad. Noun. A love song. Greta's boyfriend played her a ballad on the guitar during their walk through the dark woods. Banal. Adjective. Dull, commonplace. The client rejected our proposal because they found our presentation banal and unimpressive. Bane. Noun. A burden. Advanced physics is the bane of many students' academic lives. Bard. Noun. A poet, often a singer as well. Shakespeare is often considered the greatest bard in the history of the English language. Bashful. Adjective. Shy, excessively timid. Frankie's mother told him not to be bashful when he refused to attend the birthday party. Battery. Noun. A device that supplies power. Most cars run on a combination of power from a battery and gasoline. Battery. Noun. Assault, beating. Her husband was accused of assault and battery after he attacked a man on the sidewalk. Beguile. Verb. To trick, deceive. The thief beguiled his partners into surrendering all of their money to him. Behemoth. Noun. Something of tremendous power or size. The new aircraft carrier is among several behemoths that the Air Force has added to its fleet. Benevolent. Adjective. Marked by goodness or doing good. Police officers should be commended for their benevolent service to the community. Bequeath. Verb. To pass on, give. John's father bequeathed his entire estate to his mother. Berate. Verb. To scold vehemently. The angry boss berated his employees for failing to meet their deadline. Bereft. Adjective. Devoid of, without. His family was bereft of food and shelter following the tornado. Beseech. Verb. To beg, plead, implore. The servant beseeched the king for food to feed his starving family. Bias. Noun. A tendency, inclination, prejudice. The judge's hidden bias against smokers led him to make an unfair decision. Benign. Adjective. Favorable, not threatening, mild. We were all relieved to hear that the medical tests determined her tumor to be benign. Bilk. Verb. Cheat, defraud. The lawyer discovered that this firm had bilked several clients out of thousands of dollars. Blandish. Verb. To coax by using flattery. Rachel's assistant tried to blandish her into accepting the deal. Blemish. Noun. An imperfection, flaw. The dealer agreed to lower the price because of the many blemishes on the surface of the wooden furniture. Blight. Noun, a plague, disease. The potato blight destroyed the harvest and bankrupted many families. Blight. Noun. Something that destroys hope. His bad morale is a blight upon this entire operation. Boisterous. Adjective. Loud and full of energy, the candidate won the vote after giving several boisterous speeches on television. Bombastic. Adjective. Excessively confident, pompous. The singer's bombastic performance disgusted the crowd. Boon. Noun. A gift or blessing. The good weather has been a boon for many businesses located near the beach. Bourgeois. Noun. A middle-class person, capitalist. Many businessmen receive criticism for their bourgeois approach to life. Brazen. Adjective. Excessively bold, brash. Critics condemned the novelist's brazen attempt to plagiarize Hemingway's story. Brusque. Adjective. Short, abrupt, dismissive. The captain's brusque manner offended the passengers. Buffet. Verb. To strike with force. The strong winds buffeted the ships, threatening to capsize them. Buffet. Noun. An arrangement of food set out on a table. Rather than sitting around a table, the guests took food from our buffet and ate standing up. Burnish. Verb. To polish, shine. His mother asked him to burnish the silverware before setting the table. Buttress. Verb. To support, hold up. The column buttresses the roof above the statue. Buttress. Noun. Something that offers support. The buttress supports the roof above the statues.